Ooh, what is that? Is that roots? Or is that a bug? Listen, is it moving? No, I can't. Not today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and this is another one stopwatch video. You guys, I know you saw the intro. Listen, my garden struggles are real, okay? But let's get into this video. In this container is the garlic and potatoes, and one of my subscribers suggested to check the potatoes since the leaves are dying out. And that's what I did. Look, you guys, I have a potato. Now, this is a funny looking shaped one, but it's still a potato. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching and giving me the advice, because I would have left it in there just a little bit longer. You guys, I found another small potato when I was digging, and it's more down in there. However, I really wasn't prepared to dig for potatoes because I didn't really think it was going to be ready after what, 15 weeks, and it's cold and dreary. But anyway, I have potatoes, you guys, so I'm just excited about that. So this is me digging for more potatoes, and I came across a little one. Now, I did feel more potatoes down there, but I wasn't digging it up today, okay? Alright, you guys, moving on to the mint, and so far so good. My mint is still thriving, and I did propagate another piece. Alright, you guys, let's move on to the kale, and so far so good. It is surviving, okay? Moving on to the cauliflower. You guys, it's blurry because I was getting a phone call and my phone was vibrating. I didn't realize it was affecting the footage until I was editing. But anyway, moving on to the dill. You guys, I just wanted to show the dill because I haven't showed the dill last week, so I wanted to show it this week. Alright, you guys, so moving on to the ginger that's in the bigger pot. Now, after digging up the potatoes, I was like, you know what? I got this. I'm going to go ahead and dig up the ginger. But you guys, listen. If you know me, you know I do not like bugs. I love to garden, but I do not like bugs. So as I'm digging, I come across this thing. And I'm like, what is this? Is this part of the roots? Or is that a bug? I was disgusted. And just looking at it now, it's disgusting, okay? So it's just, I have to regroup. So I will dig up the ginger next week. Because I cannot deal. Like, I need that to blow away. I mean, listen, I don't like bugs. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Now that's out the way. Moving on to the towel, which consists of eggplants and peppers, and hopefully I do get another habanero pepper. And there go my last eggplant. I'm not sure if I'm going to get another one, but this is what I have. This is the last one, I believe, for the season. Now if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really does help my channel. Now it's time for harvest time. You guys, I am so excited about the potatoes, and next week I am going to dig up the rest of the potatoes. And I did wash these off, and stay tuned. I have a little clip here at the end showing the potatoes fresh and clean. You guys, times are getting so hard, and if you don't have a lot of space or whatever the case may be, you can grow potatoes in a container, okay? If I can do it, you definitely can do it. My potatoes so fresh and so clink clink. When I was washing the potatoes and scrubbing the dirt off, I had to be careful because I was actually taking off some of the skin, and that could be due to it being young and tender, fresh from the garden. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button because it definitely helps my channel. And if you want to see more videos besides gardening, I definitely have some money saving tips on like laundry detergent, on garlic butter, and how to make flaxseed gel for your natural hair. Listen, I'm a DIYer, okay? I like to do it myself. Save money, okay?
Because it's hard out here for everybody, okay?
But if you want to see more videos like this, click here.